For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you are watching News9 Digital with me Amrita, and I'm going to be giving you the updates on COVID-19 vaccine development happening across the globe. So let us begin with the Russian COVID-19 vaccine. Russia reportedly intends to have a COVID-19 vaccine out for commercial use by August, that is in less than 2 weeks. So Russia plans to launch its vaccine by August 10th. However, there are several questions which remain unanswered about this Russian developed COVID-19 vaccine with regards to its efficacy and safety. So far, Russia has not released any sort of scientific data on its vaccine testing. Critics also say that the country's push for a COVID vaccine comes amidst a political pressure from Kremlin, which is keen to portray Russia as a global scientific force. Moreover, there are also wide concerns about the human testing of the vaccine, which some say is incomplete. So, Russian vaccine is yet to complete the second phase of human clinical trials, and the developers intended to finish it by August 3rd. Moreover, they plan to conduct the third and final stage of human trials in parallel with the vaccination of medical workers. So Russia plans to administer the vaccine to its frontline workers once it launches the COVID-19 vaccine, and that it also considers the same vaccination to be its third and final stages of human trials. Moving on to the next COVID-19 vaccine candidate, that is the United States Moderna COVID-19 vaccine candidate. So Moderna's vaccine candidate against COVID-19 is seen to provide some sort of immunity and protection in 16 monkeys in a clinical trial. So this research was recently published, and what it observed was all these 16 monkeys showed at least some sign of protection and with limited lung inflammation, which was seen in both of these trial groups. Moreover, if these results are replicated even in the humans, it may suggest that the vaccine may provide some sort of protection against COVID-19 even among humans. That being said, Moderna, whose vaccine is being backed by the United States, has started its phase 3 and final stages of human trials on Monday. So a far bigger test is currently underway by Moderna involving 30,000 human volunteers, and the phase 3 trial will determine the safety and efficacy of the vaccine, which it plans to start producing data by November and December. Now, Moderna plans to sell its coronavirus vaccine at the cost of $50 to $60 per course. However, this price is still under consideration and has not been confirmed yet. That being said, this is $11 more than what the United States is buying the COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer and BioNTech. So let us talk about Pfizer itself and where the COVID-19 vaccine stands there. So Pfizer said that it expects the global demand for vaccinations against coronavirus to last not just in the coming few years but for several years thereon. They said that booster shots may be needed annually or every few years if new coronavirus becomes a seasonal or long-term health concern. So this is something they are still exploring. And it also said on Tuesday that they will not be selling their COVID-19 vaccine to other developed countries at a lower price than what it is selling to the United States, which is around $39 per 2-course treatment. Now let us also explore where the Indian COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin stands at. So currently there are two vaccine candidates from India which have entered the clinical trial stage, which happens to be Covaxin, and the other one being developed by Zydus Cadila. That being said, phase 1 and phase 2 human trials of Covaxin has begun in several more clinical trial sites, including the one in Bhubaneswar and Belgavi. So the initial trials conducted at AIIMS Delhi had said that the results were encouraging, but that test was only conducted on 6 volunteers. So, globally, all over the world, there are around 25 COVID-19 vaccine candidates or more, which are under clinical evaluation according to the World Health Organization's data. You can also find more information on the global COVID-19 vaccine update going by the link below, which is the World Health Organization's tracking of the COVID-19 vaccine development. Also, leave your opinion in the comment section down below of what you think of the COVID-19 vaccine. Like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.